Fundamental Rights in the Indian Constitution. Part 3, Articles 12 to 35. The fundamental rights are the basic human rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India to all citizens. These are enforceable by courts, subject to certain restrictions. 1. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Article 14, Equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Article 18, Abolition of titles. 2. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. Article 19, 6 freedoms. Speech and expression. Assembly. Association. Movement. Residence. Profession. Article 20, Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, Right to education, free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14. Article 22, Protection against arbitrary arrest and detention. 3. Right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24. Article 23. Prohibition of human trafficking and forced labor. Article 24, Prohibition of child labor, under 14 years. 4. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. Article 25, Freedom of conscience and religion. Article 26, Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27, No tax for promoting religion. Article 28, No religious instruction in state-funded institutions. 5. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 to 30. Article 29, Protection of culture, language, and script of minorities. Article 30, Right of minorities to establish educational institutions. 6. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Allows citizens to move the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. Dr. Ambedkar called it the heart and soul of the Constitution. Includes writs, habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto.